Hello guys, I am Avi and today we are going to learn how to use Movie Maker, Window Movie Maker. And I have to tell you this that this software is very heavy software and it will only work in Windows only. I'm using Windows 7 and it is working perfect. Let's start the video. Now I will show you how to open this software. I have a link, so I will share it on the YouTube in the description. See that group, see that link, click on the link and then download the software. I will show you how. First we have the link and now enter and like this it will come. So we have to click on the window movie maker. Okay, I've clicked and like this will come. We have to again click and download will come. Download and it will show scanning for viruses and can scan file for viruses. It will show like this, but download anyway. Click on this and it is downloading. It is very heavy software, so it will take much time. So be patient and do the work. Now our link is downloaded and close the Chrome and go in your file manager and downloads and see. I have already like this it will come when you will open. So when you have to add videos or photos, click on here and it will come like this. So we will take videos from desktop and video and it is here. The video has come. Now it is coming in portrait. We have to do it in landscape. Now we will learn how to do it in landscape. Rotate left and right. Let's see. It is now has coming like this. Okay, and it is done. And when you have to show credits, we'll click on credits and it'll come like this. It'll come like this. Whatever you have to show the credits, please write it. You have to write and which language you have, which handwriting you have to change. You can change from here. Okay, and the size, bold. Okay, and you have to do in center, left and right, and okay, and color is also there. See, I will show you how. We will take monotype handwriting and monotype handwriting. See, color is coming. Yes. Please subscribe our channel for more videos and information. Please share it, like the video and subscribe our channel. Please. See, I write please. It is come in the color and now we will increase its size. We have to do this and I will go and we'll click which size you want. You can do it and here also are, here are less numbers, and from here we have more numbers. See, it is 200. CP is only coming on the screen and nothing else. 300, and we will reduce from here. Please has come, and this is like this, and you have to increase the size. You have increased, and when you will write, it will be that much only. Okay, first you have to increase and then write. Okay, and how it will come like this, or it will come like this, or like this. It is your choice. Background color is also there. Like I want to take blue, dark blue. So it has come. See, I have taken this, so it will come down to up. Okay. Guys, if you want to add music in this video, so we will go on this add music, click on that, and these three options are online and these two options are from PC. Add music we have to click, and I have only one music, so we will open this only. Okay, and here it has come. Let's see the music. See, music has come now. So, and webcam video. See, if you want your what is happening? Okay, if you want your video to come in this video, to add, okay, so you can go on webcam video. Okay, or you have to record narration. So record narration. Hello everyone. See, it will be saved in my music. Okay, saved, and you have to again add music. Go here and click on this. Let's see. See, and you have to if you want subtitles to come, so it is manually, not automatically. It will come like this caption, and you have to write. So I don't want to write it. And animation, see, in starting video, if you want this animation to come, it will come this. See, visual effects like this, black and white. Okay, blue, and like this, edges will come. Okay, and this. And if you want to trim the video, click on that video. Okay, and trim tool will come. Okay, see, like I want to only save this video like this. Starting point this, and ending point this. I want to end point also less. Save trim. Okay, it is saved. See, okay. And if you want to save the video, save movie, it will come. You can go for email or for computer and nothing else. Only two options, for computer and for email. I want to save for email, so my movie, okay, and save wherever you want. And for computer, it will come like that only. Okay, so in next video, we will do anything else. Okay, we will learn more and more. So keep learning. Bye bye. Tata.